The point of consciousness is you. You are a point of consciousness. Now, that's a simple enough concept. However, it's going to take us a while to get here. You understand? So, with this being said, this is the gist of the root chakra. However, there's a lot of gifts associated with it. There's a lot of good fortune, good luck, good energy associated with it. Now, the reason that we talk about the instruction of the root chakra in Kundalini is because we're dealing with primal fire energy. So the universe starts out as nothing. You start out in nothing. Say, for instance, you are born in 1984. In 1970, you didn't exist as you are today. So you were nothing. You were created from fire. That fire created water. And this interplay of fire, water created earth and air. You are made up of the four elements: fire, which is your soul; water, which is your cells and cellular body; air, which is the air that you breathe, of course, oxygen, things of that nature; and earth, the physical body. But before all of these things were created, you existed as nothing. And it's going to be my accent. I'm not going to be, you would really understand what I was saying if I had an Indian accent. That's why I'm taking some acting courses to get my Indian accent down pat. So y'all can, like, the next Chakra Nova cycle, I'm gonna have a full Indian accent so you can really understand what I'm trying to say. But if you listen to the great Mujis and Sud Gurus, people of that nature, they will try to explain this concept to you. You are essentially nothing. This is where your power is. Now, counterintuitive to everything that you're going to try to learn and understand about life is going to have you on an external journey. You're going to learn about accounting. So you're going to learn about numbers and accounts payable and accounts receivable. And you're going to be a master CPA and you're going to get money from it. And you want to play basketball. So you're going to learn how to dribble, learn how to shoot, learn how to pass. You're going to win the NBA championship. Everybody's going to congratulate you. And I could go on and on and on about the external things that you are going to be preoccupied with in this life. And all of these things are going to take you further and further and further and further away from the truth. If you were alive for 80 years, 20 years, 50 years, 110 years, you have a beginning date and an ending date. That beginning date and ending date is a small fragment of your existence. The totality of your existence is the point of consciousness, and the point of consciousness is you. Where does this lead you to? Where does this path bring you to? Nothing. Being a point of consciousness. In Gnosticism, they say that all human beings possess a divine spark. And this divine spark is the connection to all life. I personally am under this same belief and understanding. And so when we talk about the root chakra and activating the root chakra, we are activating nothing. We are activating our ability to connect to the underground networks that supply the world with sustenance, to which we are a part of that network energetically. And the things that we do can strengthen that connection or weaken that connection. I'm going to say things throughout this lecture, and you'll say, that ain't me. That ain't me. I don't do that. I don't do that. And I'm going to say this again. You can strengthen your connection to the all, or you can weaken your connection to the all. And when we talk about activating your root chakra, we're talking about strengthening your connection to the all. This is why if it was all said and done, we did these root chakra courses years ago, we could have just left it there. But I, as a teacher, am also a learner. I learn what I teach, and I teach what I learn. I personally need to strengthen my connection to the all. Therefore, this is what I immerse myself in, and this is what I present to you this afternoon or wherever you find this video. So once again, the point of this lecture is you, but you are actually a point. You are not your body. You are not your accomplishments. You are not your intellect. You are not your memories. You are a nothing point of consciousness. And this is the mystery, and this will begin to open you up to the overall conversation of activating your root chakra in a serious, practical, factual manner, as opposed to just looking on things online and finding it